Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Dorian, your instructor for this class. It's nice to meet you. I'm really looking forward to our semester together, exploring intriguing topics and also working on our reading and writing skills. I know that uh, the beginning of the semester can be a little bit nerve-wracking for some people, but I know that you can do these things, and also I'm here to help you. As our class starts, you'll be moving through a series of modules in Canvas. Modules are kind of like little baskets where we put the stuff for each unit, and you'll just be moving through them in order. And I will also try to start each week with a short introductory video so you know what's coming for the week. And I will also be in constant contact with you using the Canvas announcements and also our Canvas email. And I invite you to reach back to me anytime. You can use the email in Canvas. You can use my regular DVC email. Or you can also reach me via Zoom. I will have Zoom office hours, and you can also text me. Finally, I know that life's gotten really strange for all of us, and I think what we need most is to just treat each other with real kindness and also patience. And so I'm really hoping that we can start this semester that way. Okay, welcome to class.